Do you think Stalin really knew that it's going to fall apart?
Why would somebody like Stalin trust somebody like Hitler?
But why did he blunder so bad not to read the intelligence that was coming his way,
Oh,
that
he
the
doesn't.
troops are amassing on the border of
He
the
didn't.
Soviet
He
Union?
didn't trust his own intelligence
Oh
apparatus.
boy.
Here's one example. There was a German communist uh, who went underground when Hitler took over, and he went to Japan as a journalist. His name is Richard Sorge. Richard Sorge had really, really good intel about what the Japanese would do and not do. I forgot exactly what it was, but it came to Moscow, and Stalin totally ignored it. And when Zorga was captured by the Japanese, the Soviet Union denied that he was one of theirs, so he was executed. The paranoia again does a lot of damage. When you don't believe your own intelligence apparatus, why bother having one?
Yeah, I mean but I'm sure there's contradictory information coming in from the intelligence apparatus, so it's difficult. I mean, first of all, nobody likes to be disagreed with, especially when you become more and more powerful. And then the intelligence apparatus is probably giving you information you don't like.
Right.
It's often negative information about,
Yeah.
basically information that says that the decisions you made in the past are not great decisions, and that's a difficult truth to deal with.
Yeah.
So in the modern times, if we hop around briefly, is Vladimir Putin has been not happy with the intelligence of the FSB, thereby, at least if you read the news,
Right.
Choosing to put more priority to the GRU for the intelligence in Ukraine.
Right.
But I guess I suppose the same story happens there as it does throughout history, is paranoia.
I give you an example that comes from a very reliable source, and that my best German friend worked as a chemist in the Stasi, East German intelligence, and he eventually he rose to the rank of major and was in charge of the forgery department. It's very likely that he made passports that I used to travel. He was aware that there was intelligence that was collected. The Stasi was really good. They had about 1,000 people in West Germany, undercover agents, some of them in government. And the Central Committee of the party, the decision makers, ignored it because it didn't quite fit in their worldview. It didn't quite fit into their plans. Mm-hmm. So, and one delicious thing that I just want to add on to this, when Gorbachev wrote his book about perestroika and glasnost, the East German rulers did not like it. They were much more orthodox. So they had to print the books in translation. Guess where they wound up? They were piled up in the hallways of the Stasi. They bought the entire print run.